Today we have the Beats Studio Buds Plus here in the studio, which are Beats' latest earbuds. Shout out to my friend Tao for supplying me these. And this is a transparent colorway. It has brand new internals, and I'm kind of getting nostalgic because if you recall the Nintendo 64, they had a transparent line of controllers. I had the purple one. And looking at this, it looks very retro, which I'm digging. Now let me quickly share some specs. We have spatial audio. You're gonna be able to locate your buds using the Find My network. It has noise canceling and transparency mode, and a total of 36 hours of battery life, 9 hours in one use with an additional 27 from the battery case. Now let's get this thing opened up. Now out of the box, we have the buds, USB-C cable, couple of earbud tips, we have a sticker, and the free trial to Apple Music. You can see all the little components, you can see the battery inside of here. This looks awesome how a company could be transparent. See what it did there? With what they have inside. You know, it's not gonna look pretty in the inside because everything's jammed in together, but the final result, it looks amazing. And I'm really liking this click of the case. Nice, firm, and snappy. Now that we did the unboxing, let's go outside, try it out, and we'll be back here with the review. Let's go. Before I get started with the review, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. We have more tech videos on the way, so that could really help us, you know, with the support and all of that. Oh, you subscribed already? Thank you. Now let's get started. What's up? I just finished my 2-mile run with the new Beats. I've been going to the gym for a couple days now wearing these earbuds, and I gotta say, they hold it pretty well for a gym earbud. I'm used to pushing in my earbuds every 5 minutes when I'm wearing my AirPods. But with these, I still have the temptation of wanting to push them in, but they're not moving at all. They stay put in the original spot. But I do gotta say that the audio quality is a little bit poor in comparison to the AirPods Pro 2. Hey, I just came down to the beach to have a quick bite by testing out the audio quality right now. But it's very windy out here in the beach. There's some small waves here and there, but you can hear them. I can hear them right now through the transparency mode, but hopefully the mic picks it up. I'm not sure if the quality of the noise canceling changes from music to phone calls, but when I'm having phone calls, I still hear everything around me. It doesn't block everything. And in transparency mode, it's not fully transparency mode. I still feel like I have something in my ear that's kind of like muffling the noise a little bit, like this. The noise canceling doesn't cancel all the noise, and the transparency doesn't let all the noise in. It's a very bad in between. I don't think it's good at either of them. And one thing I do notice is that you do hear the wind going through the microphones when you're in transparency mode. It's not as enjoyable. You're gonna always hear it in some way or another with headphones, but it's very aggressive when it comes to wind noise. But they don't fall off when you're cycling. And we are back. I actually took these buds on a flight. I've been to the gym. I've ran with them. I've gone biking to the beach, and what else have I done? Anyways, we're back here. We're finally going to review these earbuds. I have a lot to say about these earbuds, good and bad. Let's start off by talking about the 3 good things about these earbuds. Starting off with number 1, the battery life. Unfortunately, the Studio Buds Plus does not come with a wireless charging case, but it does have USB-C. I'm used to charging my stuff, you know, wirelessly, and because I don't want to go through the hassle of USB-C, I kind of try to, you know, see how far I could do without charging it, you know. I've gone on a full flight with this and I've had no issues charging it for days. So battery life, amazing. The second good thing about this is that they simply do not fall off out of your ears. I've gone to the gym, gone running, cycling like I mentioned before, and I've never had to push these earbuds back in like I used to do with my AirPods Pro. I love the build quality and the design. Like, look at these things. They're super small, and I do like the functionality of having a button still, even with this small form factor. So the build quality and them not having to fall off out of your ears, that's a huge plus. And finally, these earbuds just simply work with everything. Whether you're an Android person or you're an Apple iOS person, these earbuds connect to any ecosystem. Just simply open them, and if you have an Android, they're gonna do the fast pairing. If you're an iPhone or Mac user, you simply open these up and you're gonna get the prompt right away to connect. And you can switch the connectivity between all of your iOS devices super quick, no issues. Those are my top 3 good things. Now let's talk about the top bad 3 things, or better said, the top 3 things that they could improve on the Studio Buds Plus. First off, is the noise canceling and the transparency mode, because it is very subpar when it comes to its competition in the price range that it is. Transparency mode is not good because everything sounds muffled when it's coming in. And when it comes to the noise canceling, it probably only blocks around 30% of the noise. You can still hear everything around you. The one thing I really hated about the noise canceling is when I'm at the gym and someone drops a weight, you can still hear it far away, but for some reason, it aggressively reacts to all of that sound like all of a sudden. So instead of hearing a thump, like all of that sound just amplifies in your ears, and it really hurts when that happens. So for that reason, noise canceling and transparency, not good. Number 2, I think they could improve the sound quality on these. You know, they're obviously not the AirPods Pro, but everything just sounds flat. You're still gonna have bass like with every Beats product, but the mids and the highs are not very clear. Then again, when I'm at the gym, I put on music, it does the job. I just feel like there could be a little bit more clarity. Last but not least, number 3, I feel like they could improve the quality on the size of this case, because damn, this is a huge ass pebble. You're paying $160 compared to $250 on the AirPods Pro Max, so the tech in here is not going to be too advanced where it could compress everything into a smaller form factor. But this is very heavy and very big to have in your pocket. I put it in the same pocket as the wallet, so you could already imagine how big it is because that wallet be super big. Anyways, this case is way too big considering the small form factor of these earbuds. So yeah, these are super small. The case is too big. The math's not mathing. In conclusion, the Beats Studio Buds Plus can be a good set of earbuds for people if you're looking to get into sports, looking for a, you know, nice, reliable experience when it comes to both ecosystems. But if you're looking into more technical stuff, like you want wireless charging, you want better sound quality, stuff like that, there's other better alternatives. But there you have it. It's Luis Brian. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.